the Rhondda Fach.
Live anywhere between Maerdy and Pontypridd? This is a message for you.
Now, Welsh Water need to do some work on their water network in your area in order to make sure that you and all of your community have got a first-class water supply for decades to come. This project for Welsh Water is huge, and it might take a while, but it's going to involve Welsh Water investing over £23 million in your water network.
So, what's the plan?
One of the big problems in this area is we've got degrading old cast iron pipes which cause us browny or orange water. Although it's not dangerous for human health, it's certainly unpleasant. The main cause is the trunk mains, so we're replacing all the trunk mains with new line pipes. A lot of it is on the surface, but we've kept away from the road and highway as much as possible. So we've used some of the old tracks running down by the side of the river. So we've tried to disrupt customers as least as possible. Porth is probably where you're going to see the greater effect, so we have to go right through the town centre.
Because this is such a big job for Welsh Water, a lot of the pipes are in the road, but they're going to make sure that they keep hassle to an absolute minimum and make sure that they get the job done as quickly as they can.
So, if they're going to be working in your area, Welsh Water will be in touch to let you know exactly what work is taking place. Ooh, and also,
this is the Welsh Water community van. There's a very good chance you'll see this in your area. So the community van is a great way for them to come over and ask someone like you some questions about the work being done.
This is a perfect way for the customers to come and, like I said, put a face to the name. They can pop across, you know, I'm more than happy to deal with anything that they have. We try our very best to communicate with different types, whether that be social media, leaflets, letters, because what we do will benefit them. If we are working in your area, you'll receive a letter with all the information, the contact telephone numbers, and anything you may need then.
So if you see this van in your area, just come over, say hello, ask a few questions, and you can find out everything you need to know about the work that's being done in your area.
This huge investment by Welsh Water is going to make sure that your water will be reliable and taste great for decades to come. For more information on the Rhondda Fach project, head over to dwrcymru.com/Maerdy Pontypridd.